Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a warm and emotional story. The title of today's story is The Birthday Invitation. In this lesson, you will improve your listening, learn vocabulary, and practice speaking English. Today was Anna's birthday. She was very excited. She planned a small party at her house and decorated the room with balloons. She prepared food and drinks and invited all her friends. "Please come to my party," she said. Everyone smiled and said yes. In the evening, the guests started arriving. They brought gifts, they laughed and talked. The room was full of joy. But Anna kept looking at the door. She was waiting for one person, her best friend, Jake. Time passed, but Jake did not come. Anna felt a little sad. Maybe he is busy, she thought. She tried to smile, but something was missing. The next morning, Anna went to school. Jake was there. He walked up to her slowly. "I'm sorry," he said. "I couldn't come yesterday." Anna looked at him. "Why?" she asked. "I was sick," Jake said. "I didn't want to make anyone else sick." He gave her a small box. "Happy birthday," he said. Anna opened the gift. Inside was a simple bracelet. It was beautiful. Anna smiled. "Thank you," she said. "I understand." They laughed together. True friends always care, even when they are not there. Now let's learn some important words. Invitation, asking someone to come to an event. Party, a celebration. Gift, something you give to someone. Now let's listen again and repeat. Anna had a birthday party. She invited her friends. Jake did not come. Anna felt sad. Repeat after me. You are invited to my party. Happy birthday. Thank you for the gift. I'm sorry I couldn't come. Great job today. Remember, true friendship is about understanding. Like and subscribe for more stories. Happy learning English.